Microsoft has officially released the Windows 11 23H2 update with lots of useful features, and so do the Windows 11 23H2 ISO images. If you landed on this video, then you will be wondering how to get it, right? To help you out, I decided to create this video in which I'll be showing you how to download Windows 11 23H2 ISO directly from Microsoft site. This will allow you to perform a clean install or upgrade your current system. So let's jump right into it. Before that, we are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to channel so we continue making such content. Alright, first thing first, open your preferred web browser. In this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Edge, but you can use any browser you are comfortable with. Next, visit Microsoft Windows 11 download page. I have added the link in the description, so use it to reach the page. Once you are on the Microsoft home page, navigate to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for 64 devices section. Using the Select Download drop-down, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for 64 devices and then click Download button. Under Select the Product Language section, use the drop-down and select the language depending on your region. I will go with English United States. Now you will be presented with 64-bit download button. Click on it and this will start downloading the Windows 11 ISO image. The ISO file size will be around 6.2 GB and downloading will take time depending on your internet speed. You need to keep in mind that this download link is valid for 24 hours. After that, you need to perform same steps again to generate the new download link. Once you have successfully downloaded the Windows 11 23H2 ISO, you can use this ISO to perform a clean installation or upgrade your existing system or whatever you want to do with that. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for similar videos. Thanks for watching.